Hello,
Hi.
everyone. Yeah, this is Erica. So today we are very happy to have our guest, Dr. Sanjay Nagarka, here with us. So Dr. Sanjay holds a PhD in marine microbial ecology from the University of Hong Kong, and he has more than 30 years of collaborative experience from research to product development. I know you have started your career in HKU as a lecturer. We know that you have several achievements in Hong Kong too. Could you please highlight us some of the remarkable experience with us?
Sure. In Hong Kong U, I came here in 1990. I started my doctoral research on 1992 in Hong Kong University. And at that time, it was a very new research lab. It's called Swire Institute of Marine Science. It's a very unique research lab and very popular. And because I came from the marine microbiology background, means like anything what we get in a marine side or the ocean side. So as we know, like the 72% is the water, right? And then land is very little. So we are not focusing much on the water side. So my initial idea was like to start the research in marine side, but a specialty of my research was it was combination of field-based research and also the lab-based research. So I'm like got a very unique opportunity to do both the things together. Usually, like in ecology, people go out and work on the field, and very less lab work is there. But my work was like the combination of the lab work and the field work. So that's why I got like a very unique uh, opportunity on this.
I see. So actually for myself as an HKU graduate, I
Oh,
feel
oh.
so familiar with everything about what you have told us.
Mm.
So it's so interesting, right? So could you please share with us that your insights or involvement in ESG and across education?
Yeah, it's actually like ESG is a very new word. Like if we go back, like the base is like ecology or the ecosystem. Why we are talking about ESG? Because we have a lot of climate issues or the environmental issues. So in our part of science, we call it like the ecological issues. Issues means the balance of the nature, right? So if the nature is in the balance, everything is in the balance. So that's where we are coming from, and I am from the Department of Ecology and Biodiversity. This was a very unique department established in 1995 in the University of Hong Kong, and now is a part of the Department of Biological Sciences. So Department of Ecology and Biodiversity was very much focused on the ecology or biodiversity or conservation, all these big issues which now people are talking as a part of ESG.
Oh, I see.
Yeah,
Nice. So fruitful experience in ESG.
yeah.
So about your company, right? Global Best Biotech. I know you are the founder and the CEO of
Yeah.
it. So we know that you have established some footprints in Hong Kong already. Spirulina is the best-selling product in your business. So could you please let us know more about the key of your successful story?
Okay. It's very interesting. Like I would say, like where I started my research, and I'm still in the same field. My topic was ecology of cyanobacteria. It's a technical word, but it's a kind of algae, okay, which has a bacteria and algae together, and it grows on rocky shores around Hong Kong. So if you go and see the Hong Kong rocky shore, you will see like rocks which is brown in color. Okay, so they are not brown in color, but when you see under microscope, they are like so many this cyanobacteria, or we call it blue-green algae. They are growing, and spirulina is one of the species out of 2,000 species together. So my PhD work was to look after all the species biodiversity, their biotechnology potential. Therefore, I found one species, this is spirulina. And spirulina is basically well known in the world. It's considered as a superfood. 2 grams of spirulina every day, if you eat, it complete give you 2 complete meals of equivalent nutrition. Okay. So I always explain to people in this way, there's a new science and there's the old science. The old science is a nutritional science. Nutritional science is about a balanced diet. A new science, we call it the biochemistry, where we are talking about the cellular level, like each cell of the body is requiring getting the nutrition or not. So we need more than 200 nutrients every day. So none of the food, a single food, can provide you all the nutrients. So there are only two complete food on this planet. One is mother's milk, and second is the spirulina. So if you have a spirulina, you can fulfill all your requirement of the food. And because I came from the scientific background, we scientifically produce this thing, and that is why the product is very hit in the market. Now everyone is using the word spirulina in the market.
Well, that's fantastic. I gotta
Yeah.
try some sprouting
Yeah,
superfood
definitely,
tonight.
definitely.
So, thank you for your time today.
Yeah.
So, Dr. Sanjay, I hope to see you here very soon and bringing us some more innovative ideas in the future. Thank
Definitely.
you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.